to the channel. This week we're going to do a chicken pizzaiola. This has become a real favourite in our household. We have it quite often and it's a wonderful recipe that we do in the THERMOMIX TM6, and it is so simple and yet really tasty. So follow along and I'll show you how to do it. Right, here we are. Let's cook a lovely chicken pizzaiola. First thing we do is we put some garlic in, and then after that we'll put in some anchovy fillets. I always put a little bit more in because we like the taste of them. Then add your parsley and then put the lid on and then give this a good mix up. The instructions are there on the ThermoMix to do this. If you haven't got the ThermoMix, then just do all this in a frying pan. Just as easy to do it either way. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and then push your next button and then put in 30 grams of the oil. And then once your oil's in, put in some capers. There you are, nice fresh capers. Put a few more in if you want, it gives it a lovely zingy taste. And then after your capers, put in your tomatoes. Use the best quality you can afford, makes a lot of difference. And then after that we're going to put in some oregano, and that you can go a bit more with if you like as well. And then put some salt in, then some pepper, and then last of all add some sugar. That takes away the bitterness of the tomatoes. And there you are, all in. Now what we'll do next is put the lid on, and then we'll put what's called the VAROMA dish on top of it, and you can put your vegetables in here. I'm just using beans, but you can also put potatoes, peas, anything you like to go with your dish. And then the next thing we'll do is fry up your chicken. Now when I do the chicken, I like to add oil and butter. You put 30 grams of oil in, but then I put quite a lot of butter in because it helps to brown it. Nothing looks worse than an anemic chicken. Get your temperature to a medium heat, roll around the butter and the oil together to get it mixed up, and then place your chicken in there. Now look at that, good quality olive oil, none of your cheap rubbish. Use some tongs, put your chicken in and get it bubbling. And gently cook this for about 15 minutes, turning over frequently as you cook it. Now we've taken the lid of the VAROMA off and you can see the beans are cooked. Once that's done, take it off of the heat, and now you can see me basting the chicken, getting all that lovely butteriness over the chicken breast. And now it's just left to present the dish. Put your beans on there, cut up your chicken and then put it on the same plate, and then make sure your chicken's at the correct temperature, 165 degrees or above, and then put your sauce over the dish, and there you have it, a lovely, lovely tangy dish. Here we are, our family favourite. It really is nice. We've grown to like this dish so much that we have it very regular, and I'm sure that if you like it, yeah, you'll make it, eh? Hello, welcome back. That's cooked, that's lovely, and it really is a good family favourite of ours. We have it quite often, and I'm sure that if you cook it, you will like it too. Very easy to do in the ThermoMix TM6, and try it. It's really worth it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for your filming, Jack, and we'll see you all again for another episode next week. See you later.